On the previous episode, I talked about product societies, but actually it's better to build a platform rather than the product, and you definitely need a platform product manager. And now, about this. The product versus platform topic is quite broad, and I find it quite hard to come up with a comprehensive answer that is both technically and business flawless, yet easy to understand. And this I will detail in next episodes, but product discovery is the hardest problem of true value creation and innovation. By extension, this means that the most important factor determining consistent growth for many companies is moving from a single customer product company to a platform company, where shared components exist between them. All hypergrowth businesses are seeking new growth channels and encouraging experiments that will help them discover new products. The trumping idea here is that we are in a growth over profit market, one that favors platform aggregators. And that gross profit margin will eventually improve as the business achieves economies of scale, while it grows and gains more revenue from different growth channels. A perfect example of that is with Uber's multi-sided platform strategy. These types of experiments have created the need for the platform product managers, or vertical product leads, product managers that are capable of thinking outwards and making meaning of available data inwards. As a platform product manager, you will need a combination of both to discern how to leverage and streamline existing platforms, to discover new products through research and experiment. One other example is with feature phones, that were already ubiquitous in the whole of Africa, and the freedom that digital payments created was enjoyed by a certain section of the population. However, there was a missing piece of that puzzle. How do you extend such freedom of the unbanked population to create impact and growth for mobile network operators at scale? What happens next was an extensive market analysis by the UK's Department of International Development and Vodafone on how to leverage existing platforms to build a new product for the unbanked market. So we can say that typically product decisions are composed of a myriad of expectations that you can extrapolate them from past experience. But for new products, this new way of planning is often ineffective and misleading. There is much knowledge behind your assumptions, especially when you're building products for millions of users that are influenced by different social and cultural factors. Yet the cost of innovation is exorbitant. Platforms don't get built in a day, a quarter, or even a decade. This approach has created a new set of requirements for product managers. However, this role is not particularly new. It has existed for so long in big companies like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and Google, under the growth team. As products or services become more valuable, usage increases, rapidly affecting growth. Therefore, platform product managers are required to focus on building and creating value, and growth managers, in turn, drive adoption and the growth of the platform. It is important not to create a silo between both teams, instead to merge both teams under the product umbrella. So, what do you think?